Um, so we just got a new golf cart, and we need to see stuff, especially people in the family. Of course, we need to see how this works. So, we got the rear seat. We got this for storage, and stuff like that. This is a leather seat, and come over here. No, your camera can't see that. Storage. Say you go to the grocery store, like pick up something, just put it in. And then look to the front. You got all the batteries, and we have changed a lot of stuff here. We changed the V clip, which is V glide. That's right here. The there's a white line that we gotta fix. We fixed it. Now got steering, has everything you need to know. And this was the old thing that we changed. It's not that good. And so we changed that. We bought it last week about May the 20th or something. And so when you hop in the golf cart, pretty nice looking. See this handle right here. Reverse, no, forward, neutral, reverse. And so you got right here, don't have a horn, but you can clip stuff that have windshield. We're gonna get that. New roofing, new chairs. We have a Plum Quick motor, which makes it goes faster, a lot faster than 22 miles per hour, which that's really good for a golf cart. See this thing I said park? It says parking brake. So whenever you drive, whenever you stop, put on parking brake, switch this to neutral, you'll be fine. But if you want to drive, put it wherever you want. We're close to the wall, so you're not going to go forward. Click reverse, click go. See, just pop back, and you turn. Make sure to turn the opposite way. So if I'm turning left, I'm going to turn on the right to get out. But look. Stop. Yeah. For the forward, and you turn. Yeah. Know how to drive. Turn. Which I'm not going to go that far. But, you know, I'm not that will go though. You can check steering where you can. Ours is kind of uneven. Then you go here. This is straight, right there, and it should be like this. So this is straight. It should be like this straight. So if I drive, I'm gonna turn to the left, kind of, a little bit. And so me and my dad went on the drive last night, and saw something got an air pump. We pumped it up. This was completely flat. You couldn't even hear it. And it used to get very slow. But we have a pump motor right here. But it makes us go a lot faster. The people who make pump kick, they let a golf cart go 119 miles per hour. That's a lot. So, forward, click go. See, push back right now. Click go. We'll move forward and this pedal will move forward. So just keep on going. Stop. Got it. Move on up. I'm not even driving on the road right now. And if my parents, you know, mom, they allow me to do it, I'll show you how to do it. But we live on a hill, kind of, and it goes really fast down the hill, but it's a main road, so you can't really do that. But this really nice golf cart. We got it for $1,700 plus $500 and plus $50 for towing, which is not a bad deal. You got everything you need, Venia. So fix this. That alignment, it is not good at all. Change that. I'm gonna see my family. You can put look. So right here, come to the front. It says club car. I'm gonna ask my parents to put Rogers family, and it can be our own golf cart. And so if you need to charge it, I'll get that later. There's a charging station right here. Plug it up, plug it in. It charges. Charge it for a very, very long time, and you'll be good to go. Like we charge it for 7 hours today. I could drive this for another hour, and it'd be perfectly fine. See? Keep on going. Boogie out. And, hey, Mom, I hope you're not filming this. Can I show the people who like watch it, like Grandma and Grandpa? Can I show them how it goes on the road?